Ground. Good day.
Good day, go ahead.
At parking. Information. Echo. Read to copy.
You're clear to Echo Golf Lima Lima Via Whiskey Oscar Oscar Delta 1 Whiskey 4,000 feet. Contact when ready to start.
Clear to Echo Golf Lima Lima Via Whiskey Oscar Oscar Delta 1 Whiskey 4,000 feet. When ready to start.
Redback is correct.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your chief flight attendant. On behalf of our captain and the entire crew, welcome aboard. At this time, make sure your seatbacks and tray tables are in their full upright position and that your seatbelt is correctly fastened. Also, your portable electronic devices must be set to airplane mode until an announcement is made upon arrival. Thank you.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Cabin crew. Prepare doors for departure and cross check. Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi. Flaps.
Good day. Good day, go ahead. At parking. Information. Echo. Read to copy. You're clear to Echo Delta.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 36 center.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned on the fasten seatbelt sign. If you haven't already done so, please stow your carry-on luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in an overhead bin. Please take your seat and fasten your seatbelt. And also make sure your seat back and folding trays are in their full upright position. If you are seated next to an emergency exit, please read carefully the special instructions card located by your seat. If you do not wish to perform the functions described in the event of an emergency, please ask a flight attendant to reseat you. We remind you that this is a non-smoking flight. Smoking is prohibited on the entire aircraft, including the lavatories. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying the lavatory smoke detectors is prohibited by law. If you have any questions about our flight today, please don't hesitate to ask one of our flight attendants. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the crew, we request your full attention as the flight attendants demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Take a minute to locate the exit closest to you. Note that the nearest exit may be behind you. Count the number of rows to this exit. Should the cabin experience sudden pressure loss, stay calm and listen for instructions from the cabin crew. Oxygen masks will drop down from above your seat. Place the mask over your mouth and nose like this. Pull the strap to tighten it. If you are traveling with children, make sure that your own mask is on first before helping your children. In the unlikely event of an emergency landing and evacuation, leave your carry-on items behind. Life rafts are located below your seats and emergency lighting will lead you to your closest exit and slide. We ask that you make sure that all carry-on luggage is stowed away safely during the flight. While we wait for takeoff, please take a moment to review the safety data card in the seat pocket in front of you.
Ground. Runway 36 right. Vacated. Request taxi delayed. Roger. Continue.
We are now ready for takeoff. Please make sure your seatbelts are fastened and all baggage is secured underneath your seat or in the overhead compartments. We also ask that your seats and table trays are in the upright position for takeoff. Please switch to airplane mode all personal electronic devices, including laptops and cell phones. Enjoy your flight.
Okay.
Cabin crew. Prepare for takeoff. .80 knots. B1. Rotate. Positive rate. Gear up. Flaps.
Ladies and gentlemen, the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign and you may now move around the cabin. However, we always recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened while you're seated. In a few moments, the flight attendants will be passing around the cabin to offer you hot or cold drinks, as well as a snack. Alcoholic drinks are also available. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now starting our descent to our destination. The weather is windy. Enjoy the rest of our flight. Cabin crew. Prepare for landing.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just been cleared to land at our destination. Please make sure one last time your seatbelt is securely fastened. The flight attendants are currently passing around the cabin to make a final compliance check and pick up any remaining cups and glasses. Thank you.
Feel the fire run through our lungs. Find our treasure in the light of the sun and show the world who we are.
Gear down.
Too low, terrain, too low, flaps, 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 too low, terrain, too low, flaps,
Flaps.
too low, terrain, too low, flaps, too low, terrain, too low, flaps, too low, terrain, too low, flaps. 400.
Tower, good day. Full establish runway. 09 left.
Good day. Wind
400.
089 degrees, 8 knots. Clear to
Approaching
land
minimum.
runway 09 left.
Clear to land runway. 09 left.
300. Minimums.
Gear up. Flaps. Flaps.
Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain. Caution, terrain.
Flaps.
Too low, terrain. Too low, flaps.
Spoilers.
Too low, terrain. Too
Tower,
low,
good day.
flaps.
Full established runway. 09 left.
Too low, terrain.
Good day.
Too low, flaps.
Wind 088 degrees, 7 knots. Clear to land runway 09 left.
Too low, flaps.
Clear to land runway. 09 left.
Too low, flaps.
Flaps. Spoilers.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums. 200.
Airborne at 30, contact. Radar
100.
120
50,
decimal
30, 20.
00.
Contact radar 120 decimal 400.
Good day. Holding runway 09 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to your destination. For your safety and the safety of those around you, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are parked at the gate. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments and removing items, since articles may have shifted during flight.
Contact. Radar. 120.400.
Runway vacated. Contact. Ground.
Tower, runway vacated. Flat, flat.
Contact. Ground on 121.700.
Roger, ground on 121.700. Ground, runway 09 left, vacated. Request taxi to gate.
Roger. Continue taxi to gate.
Wilco.
Ground. Request startup. Startup approved. Runway ready taxi. Pushback approved on discretion.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Ground. Holding point runway 09 right.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.500. Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Ground. Holding point runway 09 right.
Contact tower on 118.500.
Roger. Contact tower on 118.500. Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Ground. Request startup.
Startup approved. Report when ready to taxi.
Startup approved. Call you back when ready to taxi.
Ground. Request startup.
Ground, approaching gate, switching off.
Roger. Close at 3-2.
Have a nice day.
Ground. Holding point runway 09 right. Contact tower on 118.500. Roger. Contact tower on 118.5.
Cabin crew, prepare doors for departure and cross-check.
Ground. Request pushback. Pushback approved at own discretion.
Ground. Request taxi.
Taxi to holding point runway 09 right.
Roger. Taxi to holding point runway 09 right. Ground. Request pushback.
Pushback approved at own discretion. Ground. Holding point runway 09 right. Contact tower on 118.5.